Hey there and welcome. Today we are putting on our detective hats and stepping right into the lab. Our mission, if you choose to accept it, is to solve a pretty cool chemical mystery and uncover the secret identities of some totally invisible ions.
You know what? That is so true. Because in science, just like in detective work, the best way to find the truth isn't just by reading about it in a textbook. It's by getting your hands dirty and uncovering the evidence for yourself. So that's what we're going to do. We're about to conduct a full-on investigation and solve this chemical puzzle one clue at a time.
Now, every good detective needs a reliable tool, right? Ours is this amazing solution called silver nitrate. Seriously, you can think of it as our chemical truth serum. It's the one substance that will basically force our mystery ions to reveal who they really are. So the official name for what we're doing is the halide ion test. And it's a simple but really powerful technique that we'll use to expose our three hidden suspects, the chloride, bromide, and iodide ions. All right, the lab is all set up. Our truth serum is ready to go. It is time for the investigation to begin. We've got three separate test tubes, three perfectly clear solutions, and three potential suspects hiding inside. Let's see what clues we can dig up.
So let's start with case number 1, the chloride suspect. I mean, look at this solution. It's perfectly clear, giving away absolutely zero secrets. But trust me, that is all about to change.
The procedure here is super simple. We're just going to introduce our truth serum, the silver nitrate, to the solution, drop by drop. Now here's the key. If chloride ions are actually in there, they're going to instantly react with the silver ions. And when they do, they form a new solid substance, something called a precipitate, that literally can't stay dissolved in the water. That solid, well, that's our first clue. Let's watch for it.
And there it is. Wow! A brilliant white solid just appears out of nowhere. This stuff is called silver chloride, and that cloudy white appearance is the unmistakable fingerprint of the chloride ion. Case number 1, solved. Okay, on to case number 2. We have another one of these clear, mysterious solutions. But this time, our prime suspect is the bromide ion. Let's see if we can get it to confess.
We're going to follow the exact same procedure. Using a consistent method is absolutely crucial in any investigation. It makes sure our evidence is reliable. So let's add the silver nitrate and see what happens this time around. Whoa, another precipitate. But look closely at the color. It's not pure white this time, is it? It's more of a distinct cream color. This is silver bromide, and that subtle difference is the unique clue that tells us we're looking at the bromide ion. And that brings us to our final suspect. Case number 3 features our last colorless solution, and this time we think it contains the iodide ion. We just have one last piece of evidence to collect to wrap up our investigation. Let's go ahead and apply our trusted silver nitrate test one last time. We're looking for that final revealing clue. So what is the iodide ion signature going to be? Oh, absolutely. A distinct bright yellow solid forms instantly. That right there is silver iodide. There is no mistaking that color. It's completely different from the white and the cream precipitates we saw before. This vibrant yellow is the definitive proof that the iodide ion is present. Case closed. Okay, we've gathered all our clues, we've identified all our suspects. Now, like any good detective, it's time to line them up, review the evidence side by side, and make our final report on the case. And here it is, the whole story in one crystal clear view. The chloride ion, our first suspect, gives itself away with that clean white precipitate. The bromide ion reveals itself with a cream-colored precipitate. And the iodide ion just confesses its presence with that bold yellow precipitate. 3 different suspects, 3 unique and colorful clues. It really is that simple. So, you see, chemistry isn't just about memorizing a bunch of rules. It's about observing evidence and drawing your own conclusions. You've just solved your first halide ion mystery. The only question left is, with this new power of observation, what are you going to investigate next?